Oh my God!
You've probably seen some jaw-dropping driving stunts that leave viewers amazed. But have you ever witnessed truck and heavy machinery driving mistakes that are downright breathtaking? In Dangerous Idiots, you'll be left wide-eyed at the ridiculous and sometimes dangerously unbelievable situations that unfold, blending humor and peril in ways you won't expect. Oh, don't you think it looks like a creature charging straight home after a long, exhausting day of work in the mountains and forests? That's awesome. Your close friend, truly loyal, managed to run and call for help just in time.
Пиздец. Массакр. Массакр. Aqui potentes.
Moving a house is an extremely dangerous process that requires flawless coordination. The house is placed on a massive trailer system, with 200 wheel axles distributing the weight. The rugged terrain, narrow turns, and constant risk of collisions demand that the technical team closely monitor every step to ensure absolute safety. Incredible. With just a strong, long arm, it can lift the massive stone block. But perhaps the engine has already signaled that it's overloaded during this cumbersome shipment. The yellow industrial wood chipper, manufactured by XYZ Company in 2023, is running at full capacity, shredding branches and logs into small pieces. With a powerful engine and modern screening system, the machine sorts the wood chips by size. The final product can be used as biomass fuel, fertilizer, or construction material. The machine is equipped with protective features such as mesh guards, overload sensors, and an automatic oil supply system. Transporting wind turbine blades is a complex process that requires careful preparation. The blades are disassembled into smaller sections and transported using specialized trucks. The assembly process must be carried out with precision to ensure the balance and stability of the turbine blades. The perfect combination of technology and power has created the D43 wood splitter. The machine gently splits each large log into smaller pieces. Thanks to the powerful hydraulic pressure, the sharp blade easily cuts through the wood without producing loud noise or scattering debris. The wood splitting process is quick and efficient, helping save time and effort for the user. The feeling of being immersed in the water is truly captivating. Perhaps he got a bit carried away with steering to show off his power. Oh my God, it seems like everything was meant to be. The wheels seem to be screaming in the cold, wishing this would be the last day of work here. For an inexperienced driver, this is something that will often happen. The Amaron forest is dense and towering. Logging is a challenging and dangerous task. The sound of the saw echoes through the quiet space as the workers face enormous trees. Each cut requires great precision to prevent the tree from falling in the wrong direction. After months of hard work, a new forest is ready to begin growing. Like an artist on the mountain, it works under harsh and dangerous conditions. This is definitely the most terrifying gamble I've ever witnessed. What do you think about a thrilling leap on wet snow at 10C? It seems pretty exciting, doesn't it? I think you should try it before the opportunity slips away and goes to waste. The scene is truly terrifying, dangling in midair, as the powerful chainsaw cuts through massive tree branches. Every movement requires absolute focus, with nothing but vast, dangerous open space beneath your feet. The strong wind and the creaking of the trees only add to the challenge, but the worker remains resilient, continuing the task with determination. Don't miss it as we explore a world of giants. Here, humans seem unbelievably small. The Monteo 37 is moving along the road, and it looks like they're carrying out some kind of excavation project in Manama. Try counting how many logs are stacked on this truck. After navigating this final turn, it might finally get to rest after a long day of work. This appears to be a specialized wood processing machine. The machine is equipped with a powerful grabbing and cutting system, designed to handle large tree trunks. The working process likely includes grabbing the wood, cutting it into smaller pieces, and possibly even stripping the bark. The large wheels indicate its ability to move efficiently across rugged terrain. Like a steam train, smoke and dust rise in a swirling cloud, drawing the attention of everyone around. It's truly dazzling. I've never seen a vehicle like this before. The ancient forest now echoes with the sound of chainsaws. The process of cutting wood in the forest typically begins with the lumberjack using a specialized chainsaw to fell the trees. Massive trees, once towering, are now cut down piece by piece on the forest floor, under the skilled hands of the worker. Equipped with full protective gear, the lumberjack successfully overcomes the challenges, ensuring safety throughout the task. Oh my God! Can you count how many wheels this machine has? It really looks like a huge train moving across the water.
Too easy.
The large-scale tree planting and digging machine, possibly the Dutchman 720i, operates by using crescent-shaped blades to dig a large hole. It then gently lifts the tree from its original location and places it into the newly dug hole. This machine allows for quick and efficient relocation and planting of large trees, streamlining the process. The wood-grabbing machines make logging more efficient and safer. However, they can be costly, noisy, and dusty, impacting the environment and potentially damaging the forest soil. Strict management measures are necessary to minimize these negative effects and ensure sustainable practices in forestry. Challenges are piling up, and the log loader in the deep forest is facing danger. It seems to be very exhausted from the current task. It is connected to a tow cable to ensure its safety as it moves deeper into the forest. Wow, what a dangerous game, as he decides to keep moving with only 2 wheels at the back.